Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to care for a demanding patient. Difficult patients are usually unavoidable and dealing with the patients lead to increased level of stress in the medical profession. Dealing with the demanding patients often lead to stress in the doctor. This may lead to a very unpleasant situation in the hospital. Here is a case of a cardiac surgery. The patient has completed his cardiac surgery yesterday only and is under observation in the hospital. In the morning. Hello miss, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good.
Okay. Is everything fine?
Yes.
Why don't you finish the breakfast which was given to you? Like the fruits are a healthy option after cardiac surgery.
I don't want to eat them. I want spicy food.
Don't get defensive, respond with care and concern.
Miss, it is not recommended that you should eat spicy food after having cardiac surgery.
But I want spicy food.
But you are not understanding.
No, but I can't eat these fruits and all.
So you look, in this case, the duty of the doctor is that don't get defensive because the case may be like that she is angry because she is not able to share the personal problems which she is suffering, like the stress.
Empathize with the patient, do everything you can do to meet their needs.
Is there any problem with the food which is served by our hospital?
I get offended with this hospital food. So I want spicy food.
These fruits are quite healthy options for quick recovery after the cardiac surgery. So, can you eat this food now?
No.
Always stay calm, cool, and connected with the patient. Watch your body language. Control your voice and body language.
Miss, you have to eat this breakfast only. Hospital will not entertain your demands.
But
This hospital will not entertain the demands which you are putting on us.
but then you have to serve me some different food.
Okay, I will check if there are any another healthier options available for your breakfast. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Be proactive, don't ignore the problem or avoid communicating with demanding patients.
After breakfast, had you completed your breakfast?
Yes.
The food quality was good.
Yes.
Okay. Miss, why didn't you taken the medications which was provided to you by the cardiologist?
I don't like the taste. They are so
But-
bitter.
But they are important for your quick recovery.
I don't like it.
You have to take it.
Then please consult with my cardiologist and ask him to give him another medications.
I will request the cardiologist to look for another way of taking medication for you. But for now, you have to wait till evening. So for now, can you take the medications which is provided by the cardiologist? Okay, thank you for your cooperation.
Doctor, I want to go home. Please discharge me as soon as possible because I feel suffocated here.
We cannot do that, miss. It may lead to severe complications in your body because you had done your cardiac surgery yesterday only. But I will ask the head nurse to shift you from this room to another room where you will get a better view and good ventilation. Is it okay?
Yes.
Acknowledge the situation, let the patient tell their story and listen quietly and form a connection with the patient.
Miss, you are looking quite sad and depressed. Is there any problem?
Yes. Is there everything okay
Uh,
with my surgery or post surgery?
Yeah, the surgery has gone well because this cardiologist was a well-known cardiologist, and there is 100% recovery of your body.
Is everything going to fine?
Yes, everything will be fine. You will be able to go to the park and do exercise as you were earlier doing. There is no need to be sad and depressed post surgery. It will means affect your health only.
Is there any precautions that I have to take?
Yes, the precautions are like you have to eat healthy food and avoid eating oily and spicy food. So you see, these are some common demands which the patient asks for while living in the hospital. That's all for this video. Thank you.